Hey guys, welcome to this gorgeous property along Eldama Ravine. This is a 3-story house plus the basement. So I'm so excited for you to see the reveal. For today's video, I will be joined by my able and talented designers, Sonia and Anav. Hi guys! Welcome!
Hi!
Hi.
What is the challenge that, or the challenges that you've been facing when we are designing this project?
The basement has an exposed beam, so we came up with the artificial beams to go with the floor with the existing ones on site.
Everything is easy. You bring up a design, it's taken up. The developers are very willing. They give you the platform to work your design. There's no restriction. So it's just you and your design at play.
What are the challenges? What are the materials? And what is the process when we're doing this project?
Under the scope, we had to come up with the design of the space because this is a renovation space. And from the design, we came up with ideas matching with the existing pieces on site, especially the flooring.
When it comes to finishes, like how do you come with the palette, the color scheme?
From the existing interiors that we had, there were some things we could not change. So since we could not change that, we could not change most of the tiles because it's already fitted. We tried to tie in all the items, the new items we're bringing in can be like a small color picked from them or a blend, something that just brings it all into look like one thing at the end of the day.
Guys, I need to go. I have 5 meetings to do, so I'll let these gorgeous ladies to finish the walkthrough with you. Bye.
Hello guys, welcome to our grand foyer. It's white, and we have a piece here. Sonia, can you tell us about this?
Oh, this is a conversational art piece full of texture, white in color to break out the grayness in the space. As you get into the guest bedroom, you see these amazing textures from the mohair throw to the linen headboard. To add spice to the space, we added the bed inset to create more storage space. One unique feature about this space, the patterned wall finish blends perfectly with the accent wall tile in the bathroom.
And now we move on to our lounge area. It has a very nice big sofa with a round curve so that you don't hurt yourself when you're coming into the other spaces. You have this very, very magnificent TV wall that's blending in with the grays. You have a frameless TV, looks like a picture. You can use it as a picture to display artwork or family pictures, or you can just use it to watch movies.
When you have all your decoration needed, you just have to make sure that you have different heights so that you're gonna give dimension to the space. So we have a diffuser here so that it gives you a fresh ambience, and here we're gonna be finishing with a nice full flowers, and to give a depth you have to, or texture, you have to put something that is really anchored the coffee table, which is a stone finish, and in this area you have to fill it with a nice scented candle, and to finish the look you just have to put a magazine that gives you a bit of color and dimension. So that gives you a finish and elegant coffee table. Toast and throw. Toast and throw. Toast and throw. Make sure that the zip is facing down. Make sure that your cushion is straightly formed. I don't want some interior designer, they do that chop, but me, I want my pillows to be straight. That gives you an executive look.
This is the kitchen. There was an existing wall at this point. We decided to break it down to have an open plan kitchen. The initial entrance to the kitchen was at this point. We came up with the idea of a niche to accommodate the refrigerator.
The idea behind this is to have this flush with the wall so that you have enough walkway for your island. This now is the showstopper for this kitchen. You have the stone in Decton. We have this color blending into the flutes. And now if you're there cooking and your kids are there, you can easily watch them as they sit here and have their meal while you cook.
The kitchen cabinetries are done in white laminates with integrated chrome finished handles that blend perfectly with the Decton top. And the walls are finished in wood fluted panels. And guess what, guys? We have a wet kitchen. For a seamless finish, we went with an inbuilt appliances. You can also see it on the countertop. For ease of cooking, we incorporated under cabinet lighting.
I love that you pointed out about the lights. Come, let's check our dining space.
Ooh, I love the leather.
Yes, this is customized and supplied by La Casa, one of our sister companies. They even sourced the marble for us to form it into this nice, lovely dining you're seeing right now.
Hi everybody, my name is Nazira. I am the GM of La Casa and I'm here to tell you a little bit about La Casa. So La Casa is a very premium brand of furniture, and right now what you see in this beautiful home are actually pieces that have been brought in by La Casa. Our whole idea is to make your house into a home. What more can you ask for?
We have a play area. It acts as a table tennis and a pool area as well. We also have a small conversational area here where you can sit and play board games like chess, tic-tac-toe and the likes.
Before heading up the stairs, we can't go without mentioning the stair detail. We are at the first floor's family lounge. We introduced the slats finish to create privacy in the space. We also incorporated wood finish on the TV wall and the shelvings. To add a bit of color to the space, we used green furniture pieces.
And now welcome to our breathtaking room, the showstopper, the master bedroom. As you can see, our main colors of choice are beige, grays and browns. You have a small conversational area here where you can chat with your loved ones. Sonia, what do you think of the room?
I love the leather, the marble side table with the glass and the sofa. Just amazing.
The setup is quite incredible.
Yeah, right?
Yes. This is the master bathroom. We have our wall and floor tile matching the beige marble. We have a full his and hers vanity with a full mirror with backlit light. We also have this lovely bathtub. What do you think, Sonia? It's very nice, right?
Yes, the back tiling matches with the master bedroom.
Yes, that was the main idea with the furnishing. Then you have an enclosed shower. All the sanitary fittings are from Roca, and we just tried to match everything to bring out this nice bathroom.
As we get into the boys' bedroom, the general finish in the space was mostly blue, as you can see from the bed, the throw blanket and the throw pillows.
The girls' bedroom, her main pop of colors are browns, which you get to see also on the wallpaper displayed.
Oh, we have a very beautiful outdoor kitchen with the bar area and a center island finished in black Decton with sittings on the other side. What do you think, Anab?
I like how they were able to blend the exterior colors to this kitchen. You see the grays, you see the orange. It's quite lovely.
Oh,
And yeah, we have a pizza fireplace.
wow.
It's very nice. It can keep you warm and you can still cook on it. And after you've done cooking, you can sit here with the family and enjoy your meal. And to close off the project, we have a nice outdoor lounge where you get to enjoy the nice views for this project, and it has swings. Sonia, do you want to try them?
Definitely. And that's it from us. Until next time, bye.
Bye-bye.